Hello everybody, Darlene is here and welcome back to my channel. Uy! Nandiyan ka na pala? Hello everybody, Darlene is here and welcome back to my channel. It's lunchtime and today is Bibimbap Day.
안녕하세요. 뭐 하고 있어? 맛있겠다요.
Beef bibimbap. Itadakimasu. Ano yung meron? Meron siyang
egg,
yes, wow, ang ganda ng egg.
Corn.
Corn.
mushroom.
Mushroom.
This one is what do you call this?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. And this one is carrots and fish. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Mix it and enjoy.
Okay, what do you have in your
And
food?
this, the golden egg, golden fried egg,
Alright.
topped with sesame seed, carrots, beef, cucumber, mushroom, and corn. Okay, I will mix it. Yeah. Mix everything. This is the secret of bibimbap, yes. Itong bibimbap nito adjusted na sa Filipino taste kasi wala siyang spicy. Red pepper. Red pepper paste. Mas more on Filipino taste na siya kasi matamis-tamis. Ayan, natapos na ang ating tanghalian. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like, share it with your friends, and put your comments on the box down below. So till